Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change administrator name on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. Click on Windows icon and then click on search box and type control panel. Click on control panel. In control panel, here you will find the user account. Click on user account. Once the user menu appears, here you will see the username of this account, which is admin. So if you want to change administrator name, then click on change your account name. Now enter your new account name, like I am writing my name, which is Saifullah, and then click on change name. So here you can see username has changed from admin to Saifullah. So guys, in this video we saw how to change administrator or username on Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.